ang hilig talaga bumili. Ang hilig. Oo.
Pero naging ganun na rin siya.
Yan, tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo naman ugali nito. Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, also known as Mr. Cheng Positive.
At ako naman po si Novi Antan, ang happy wife ni Chinky Tan.
Today, we are going to talk about the topic of the 5 most common fights of couples. Money fights.
Money fights.
Fights. In other words, yung pera na pinag-aawayan. Pero bago natin pag-usapan ang pera na pinag-aawayan po, don't forget to subscribe in this Happy Wife, Happy Life channel. Maraming salamat. Oy, consistent na po tayo. Pasensya na po kayo na medyo naging busy lang kami with previous. Pero right now, sinisikap namin to release 2 videos in a week. 2 videos in a week. Hindi na magiging 2 videos, magiging 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So, ikaw, di ba? Ba't ka na, na-stress ka na?
Oo. Hindi ko naman alam yung mga yan anyway.
So, pag-usapan na natin ang 5 most common money fights in a couple, di ba? Kasi sa tagal-tagal natin sa 20 years of marriage, not only that, we also counsel a lot of couples. Ano ba yung napapansin mo na talagang major na talagang yung talagang money fight para sa iyo?
It's the habits that you accumulate siguro through the years when you were growing up. And then pag nag-asawa ka na, yun na nadadala mo.
Okay, but let's talk about yung mga habits. Ano yung mga money habits na yan? Number one. Ako muna.
Feel mo na yan.
Hindi, totoo naman. Number 1 na pinag-awayan parati is what we call as the shopping or buying habits. Oo.
Boom!
Oo. Yung ang hilig talaga bumili. Ang hilig. Oo.
Pero naging ganun na rin siya.
Yan, tingnan nyo naman ugali nito. Kahit di kailangan, ay binibili pa rin.
Yeah, totoo yan.
Sino kaya may issue sa atin yan? Sino? Yung totoo, sino sa atin na may issue?
Siyempre ako, number 1.
Oo. Sige. Let's be honest. Magpakatotoo tayo ngayon sa mga taong nanonood sa channel na ito. Bakit sa palagay mo na may issue kang ganun?
No. I told that in the book as well. It's really maybe because I was brought up in such a way na hindi ko talaga nalaman kung ano yung tamang paghawak ng pera. And sad to say, it's luck. So, something na, there was one time that I really can't forget. Nung college ako, there's one thing I can't forget. When I was in college, kasi budget ko lang that was mga early 90s. So, ang budget ko lang 3,000. So, kailangan pagkasya yung 3,000 sa board and lodging. I still remember yung, kasi kami sa isang malaking room, tag na 900. Nung time na yun. So, maglalaba ka pa, tapos kakain ka pa. Diba? So, ang daming isang buwan, paano mo pagkakasya ng 3,000 pesos sa isang buwan? At that time.
May pamasahe ka pa.
Hindi, naglalakad na lang ako. Pero, ang budget kasi ng pagkain nun, 30 to 29 pesos.
Per meal?
Per meal.
Nakakadalawang meal ka in a day o tatlo?
Hindi, tatlo dahil gutom. Hirap.
So, 100 a day. 100 a day times 30 days. Kulang na talaga yun.
So, there were time na talagang, bibili ka pa ng spag-girl, bibili ka ng napkin, may mga needs, na mga churba, toiletries, mga ganyan. So, ang hirap talagang pagkasyahin. So, one day, isang araw, talagang, hindi ako nakakain. There were time na, umiiyak na ako sa gutom. Yung gano'n. Kaya parang, I do not like luck. So as much as possible, even the people around me, kasi nga very harmonious ako, ayokong nalulungkot sila. So, I give and then, I want to buy things na alam ko hindi ako mauubusan. That's the thing.
Kaya pala.
Hindi mo lang nalaman yun.
Kailangan palang
kasi ayoko lang yun.
Yun. So, yung shopping habits talaga, you got to understand also.
Yeah, that's where I'm coming from. So, when I was able to identify that and I told Chinky, talagang ginaid niya ako on that end. Kaya kahit minsan iinis na siya sa akin, as in to the highest level, I'm so blessed that he understand me on that end na yun, kailangan ko ng tulong on that end.
So, number one issue are shopping habits. Number 2 issue. Ano naman yung second issue sa palagay mo?
is the saving habit.
Sino man may problema doon?
Saving? Wala akong problem saving,
Ako naman. When you say, hindi, ako naman may
I
problema.
love to save.
No, when I say ako may problema, ako naman ang masyadong ganun. Oo. Siya yung ganun. Ako naman yung di ba? Parang parang itong feeling niya, di ba, minsan deprived. Feeling deprived. Ako naman, feeling ko okay naman ako kahit na wala yan. Di ba? So yun yung makikita.
Akala ko deprive ako pero hindi naman. Nalagasaan
two school of thoughts yun eh. Two school of thoughts na yun
Yes,
nga.
it's true. Ang ganda. Ngayon hindi natin nakakita.
Hindi, totoo naman yun.
Totoo yun.
Because I was
Like
raised
20
naman,
years.
ever since when I was young, I was really taught how to save. Yan ang priority ko.
Totoo.
We see pleasure, no? We see pleasure. I see pleasure when I see the income at the same time yung savings tumataas. And naman, she sees the pleasure. Ano naman pleasure mo? When you buy.
Accumulate and then give.
Accumulate and giving.
Yeah.
Ako naman, it's more of what? Savings.
Yeah.
Yung talagang pag nakikita ko. So yun, minsan, pinag-aawayan yan, nagiging tension yan sa mag-asawa. Okay? So, we must find again the balance. Find the balance of, again, spending, at the same time, find the balance of what? Savings. Hindi pwedeng spend lang. Hindi naman pwedeng save
Kaya
lang.
buti na lang, magkaiba kami.
Hindi, kasi nga, to the point na ako naman, sa sobrang kakuriputan ko talaga, ayoko talaga mag-travel. Kasi pag lumabas kayo, travel kayo, sobrang laki talaga ng gastos. Di ba? So, malaki po yung cost. Pero sa kanila, memories. Like the
Years.
Yun yung problema. So, yun yung dalawang issue pa lang. Two issues pa lang yan. Okay? So, third issue. Another third issue, common issue that we counsel couples is, especially if it's from two income earners, who pays for what? O yung parang nagiging issue. O ako nung nagbayad ng kuryente last month, ikaw naman yung...
Oh no.
Di ba?
May ganun.
Mahirap.
May ganun factor.
Mahirap talaga. Wala namang masama kung talaga kayo ay magko-cooperate. Pero ang importante, walang sumbatan.
Totoo.
Walang sumbatan na, uy, malaki na inambag ko Di ba? Ikaw naman, parang ano ba to? Hindi naman to competition. Di ba? Actually, again, your goal in your marriage as a couple is not to compete with one another, but to complete one another. I will repeat. You don't compete with one another. You complete one another. Kailangan tulungan ba? Kung kapos yung isa, tulong. Di ba? Pinag-usapan na po namin sa isang video yan na talagang women are called by God, or ang role ng women is to be a supporter, di ba? Financial supporter. Kahit na hindi ka kumita, pero yun nga, bawasan mo na yung gastos mo, be a good money manager, di ba? Learn how to budget your malaking tulong na yan. That's the third money fight of couples. Let's go to
Vice versa din, kahit yung lalaki, kailangan din nilang i-manage at inform mo kung ano rin yung pagmamanage nung pera.
Let's go to number 4. Number 4, yung most common money fights in a couple. Ano pa yung...
Sino bang may last say?
Yeah, yun.
Yeah.
Who has the final say? That's another major issue yan. Di ba? Yung parang, okay, dapat akong masunod, dapat akong lalaki, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi kami mga lalaki gumagawa ng desisyon. Tapos sabi ng babae, hindi. Sa tahanan namin, kami ng mga baba. Ikaw sa palagay mo, sino dapat ang may last say?
I think you have to agree first. And you have to agree together kung sino. Ako kasi hindi ko gifting yun. So it's not my gift. So, in our time dynasty, Chinky is the last say about money because yun yung gifting niya. Ako, I don't have enough wisdom in how to handle money. So, he is the last say. Kasi makikita niya yung big picture. Although, through the years, nakakatuwa lang kasi kahit na ganun siya, he always asks me pa rin. Hindi porket siya yung last say.
Ako na nagde-decide on my own.
He always asks talaga, as in diligently, as in walang paltos yun. Talagang ina-ask niya ako, kino-consider niya yung, pwede ba natin gawin to? Bakit anong ganon? So, hindi siya yung parang, feeling mo, pag ikaw yung last say, mayor na mayor ka na. Hindi ganon. Your partner, you should be a team. You should be a team and you should practice honoring one another's giftings. Okay.
Ako para sa akin, alam mo ang pinakamaganda niyan, kung sino talaga may last say also, makakatulong, kung sino talaga yung may alam. may alam sa isang
Yeah.
particular kanya, sa akin pera, alam ko yan. Pero pagdating naman sa shopping, siya ang nakakaalam. Latest finds, siya nakakaalam, siya may last say.
Yeah.
Di ba? So in other words, lalo na pagka-travel, alam niya kung ano yung hotel na kukunin. Ako, wala akong kaalam. Siya dapat ang may last say. So in other words, tulungan kayo, di ba? Find your own strengths and then support one another.
Yes.
And number 5, most common money fights of couple is what?
Ito na. How to support your extended family. So what is an extended family?
Oh, ito yung ano.
Define. Baka hindi nila maintindihan.
Hindi, ang extended family. Hindi yung...
Nakakalimutan nila yung meaning.
Hindi ibig sabihin na may pangalawa, pangatlo ka.
Yun. Kaya nga.
Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, ang priority po natin, syempre, ang asawa po natin, next yung anak, tapos
Yan ang immediate family.
Oo, extended family, kapatid,
Yan.
pinsan,
Yeah.
kamag-anak.
Cousin.
Oo.
Cousin ni cousin.
Oh, unfortunately, kasama na rin magulang. Magulang ay nagiging extended family. Kahit na sila po magulang natin, they are already part of our extended families. So ito isang malaking issue talaga sa couples talaga in terms of extended families na parating pinag-aawayan.
Yeah, it's true. Kasi kami ni Chinky, I still remember when we pareho kaming breadwinners. So ibig sabihin, when we go out, paano yun? Paano yung extended family? I know it's not an easy, especially for Pinoys, on how to go about on that end. Pero advice lang namin sa mga newly couples there, you need to have a stand with your family. Huwag niyong paasahin, kausapin niyo kung ano ang priority niyo. At kailangan nilang malaman yung katotohanan. Oo. Like, on my end, talagang nahirapan ako for 2 to 3 years. Pero because Chinky and I were able to model it, kasi masarap magbigay sa extended family with joy rather than you're forcing yourself to give just because you want them to be silent.
And happy.
And happy. Kasi babalik lang din yung cycle kasi hindi mo nasabi sa kanila yung totoong meaning or yung totoong realidad na ito talaga, na hindi talaga po kayo ang priority namin. Medyo masakit yun initially and it's gonna be hard. I know it's not easy, but mas maganda na maging clear kayo na, Mama, Papa, we appreciate you or whatever extended family, but my priority is not you anymore. I just have to be very frank with this because kami ni Chinky, I think you also told, maybe you can tell your story on bago ka ikasal.
Yeah, I asked permission from my parents. Sinabi ko, Ma, you're still parang expecting me to support you 100%. Sabi ko, if you do, sabi ko, I will delay my marriage na hindi muna ako magpapakasal because you need me more than my spouse or my wife to be going to need me. Diba? Buti naman nirelease ako. Kung hindi, imagine mo 65 na ako. Diba? Wala pa akong asawa, wala pa akong pamilya. So, walang masama, no? I hope you understand, especially if you're an OFW, you're supporting extended families. Na tumulong, walang problema. Pero make sure, mag-iwan ka para sa sarili mong pamilya.
Ay, hindi yun. Saka dapat nag-agree kayong mag-asawa. Hindi yung to the point na talagang pagod ka na, patang-pata ka na, ano pa magagawa mong pag-uwi mo?
Tama. Wala ka
Pagod
na ibibigay.
wala ka na ibibigay. Di ba? I mean, emotionally, mentally, financially, it's gonna be hard for you. Kasi the goal is to be a blessing to others, to be a blessing to extended family. But then again, alam mo na may priority ka. Na yun ang uunahin mo, priority mo.
Okay.
Okay.
So, ito yung 5 Again, common money fights. Let's review. Number 1, shopping habits or buying habits. Number 2, saving habits. Number 3, who pays for what? Okay.
Yeah.
Number 4, who has the final say? And number 5, supporting of extended families. At kung may mga money issues pa kayo, especially as a couple, no? Me and my wife, we want to help you. That's the reason why we wrote this book called Pera ni Mr. Again, Pera ni Mrs.
Yeah.
Timing to, kalalabas lang to. Maraming salamat ABS-CBN Books for helping us. And this one will talk about yung mga money issues like sino dapat humawak ng pera, paano ba mag-budget ng pera sa couple, and then paano ba, yun ka nga, tutulungan mga kamag-anak incorporated, okay? Or if not naman, paano to say no, how to say no to people who always borrow money from you. If you want to avoid money mistake as a couple, this is the book for you.
Yeah.
And then this is only very affordable. Normally when we write books, it's around 400, but we make this only 190 pesos. 190. It's an easy read. so that you can read it in probably 1 or 2 sitting. If you want to order, you can go to the bookstores right now. Sa National Bookstore, it's already there. If not naman, online, you can also go to ABS-CBN Books. Or if not naman, you can just go to our site. For those people who want to order this and give this as a gift, as bulk, kunyari gusto nyo gawin to regalo, you can get this at 50% discount. If you order 10.
That's nice.
Yeah, 10 pieces, malapit na kasi yung ikang gift giving, di ba? You want to give this as a gift. It's only at 50%. 50%. 190 magiging 95 pesos if you order 10 of these. 10 of these. So if you want to order this book online, all you need to do is just type the word Pera. Type the word code Pera right now inside your comment box, and we will send you a link. We will send you a link after this broadcast so that you will be able to order, and then we will send this to you door to door, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, free of charge. If you buy 10 pieces, wala nang delivery fee. Sa team abroad po, please wait for our ebook. Ebook coming soon. Ebook po coming soon for Happy Wife. For Pera ni Mr. at Pera ni Mrs. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please do also comment what you have learned from this video. Mag-comment po kayo sa comment box. And then also share this video to your friends. This is Chingitan saying, kapag mayroon kang happy wife, meron kang
Happy life!
yeah. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.